Hi everyone, good evening. This is Abhay Mahajan, master teacher at Vedantu, and I welcome you all to this wonderful session of the series called Beyond Textbook, wherein we teach topics which are beyond the textbooks. So बच्चों धीरे धीरे सीबीएसई का सिलेबस कम होता जा रहा है, बट हमें कम नहीं करना है, हमें चीजें बढ़ाती रहनी है, चीजें नई नई सीखती रहनी है, राइट? चलो, तो उसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में लेट अस डू अ न्यू टॉपिक, समथिंग कॉल्ड स्टीवर्ट्स थ्योरम. So we'll be doing Stewart's theorem. We'll be learning its proof, see what it is, and see some of the application of Stewart's theorem. So Stewart's theorem है क्या? It's a bit tricky, but important and a bit difficult to understand. ठीक है? But कोई बात नहीं, हम questions करके, applications करके, proof करके इसको आसान बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. All right, guys. So let's get started. So what is Stewart's theorem? Stewart's theorem है क्या? So Stewart's theorem says if ABC is a triangle and small a, small b, small c are the standard notations. Now, bachon, what are the standard notations? So in a triangle ABC, the side opposite to capital A is denoted by small a generally. The side opposite to capital B is small b, side opposite to capital C is small c. So if ABC are standard notations and AD is D and AD is D, where D is any point on BC, and BD is known and CD is also known, right? So क्या क्या पता है? We know the sides, we know the length M and N, and then there's a relation between all these lengths. The relation is A times D square plus Mn. So A times D square plus M into N is B square M plus C square N. So that's simple a relation. Not simple in real sense, yes, because इसको याद करने में काफी टाइम लगता है. But again, with some applications, एक दो questions करके, I'm sure with the kind of questions that we will be doing today, we'll be doing only one question and one application with its proof. It will be very clear to you. All right. So how do we prove this? How do we prove this? So what we do, guys, is we draw the circumcircle of triangle ABC. So the construction is draw the circumcircle of triangle ABC and let AD meet the circumcircle at P. Let AD meet the circumcircle at point P. We join BP and join CP. Now, what do we have here? So consider these two triangles. So triangle DBP and triangle DAC. Now, clearly this angle is equal to this angle because the circle, these are cyclic, this is a cyclic quadrilateral, so PC subtends same angle at B and A respectively. So this angle, if theta, this would be theta. Also, these two angles are same, vertically opposite angles. So clearly, these two triangles are similar in nature. So triangle DBP is similar to triangle DAC. Now, if these two triangles are similar, so let us write the proportions. Let us write the lengths in proportions. So क्या है? What do we have? Now can I say this angle के सामने B है? So B upon the third angle is C in this case and P in this case. So B upon BP is equal to इस angle के सामने we have D and इस angle के सामने we have M. So clearly BP is BM upon D. There is no problem in this. There is no problem in this. And likewise, I can do this similarly for the other two triangles. These two triangles. And can I say CP? CP would be small c into N upon D. CP would be small c into N upon D. Can I say that? For the other two triangles, that is triangle DPC will be similar to triangle DBA. Right. So we know the value of BP, we know the value of CP now. Now what we do is we'll apply Ptolemy's theorem in this. Now don't get confused in all these theorems, right? So Ptolemy is something which we did in one of the previous sessions. So you can check Ptolemy's theorem if you've not revised that session on YouTube. So we'll apply Ptolemy's theorem. So we have the value of BP with us, we have the value of CP with us, and also Also, since these two chords intersect, so can I also say that dp into d is equal to m into n? So I also know the value of dp. So dp would be mn upon d. dp would be mn upon d. mn upon d. So I know dp, I know bp, I know cp. So bp यहाँ से आया, cp यहाँ से आया, dp भी आ गया by power of point. So Ptolemy's theorem, if you remember Ptolemy's theorem, in this cyclic quadrilateral, Ptolemy's theorem क्या बोलता था? Ptolemy's theorem said that BP into AC plus AB into CP. ठीक है? So product of the lengths of the opposite sides is equal to the product of the diagonals, is equal to AP into BC, is equal to AP into BC. So now let us put the values. So BC is A, AP would be D plus DP. AP would be D plus DP. And DP का value हमने निकाला है. DP is Mn upon D. So we put the value is equal to BP. BP का value is this, Bm upon D, into AC. AC का value is B. Let's put it here. Plus AB, which is C, into CP. CP का value is Cn upon D. Just cross multiply D. If we cross multiply D, we'll get this relation. So the relation is, if the length of the opposite side is A, so A times D square plus Mn. A times this length whole square plus Mn is equal to B square M plus C square N. So simple. Not that simple, but again, if you use this in one or two questions, which we'll be doing next, it will be very clear to you. Right? I hope this is clear. Stewart's theorem. So again, the main point is D is any point on BC. D may not be median or the altitude or the angle bisector. D is any point. But what we can do is, using this, we can find the values of angle bisector of any triangle, or the altitude of any triangle, or even the median of the triangle using Stewart's theorem. Right? So let us do one. Let us do one of these. So let us try to find the median of the triangle using Stewart's theorem. So let us try to apply this, right? So what do we have? Triangle ABC, let this be A. This would be B, this would be C, and this would be A by 2, and this would be A by 2 because D is a midpoint, because A is a median. So using Stewart's theorem, so what does Stewart's theorem say? Let's say this length is D. See, so D is the median from A to D. So Stewart says that A times D square plus A by 2 into A by 2. So M is A by 2, N is A by 2 is equal to B square into A by 2 plus C square into A by 2. So this is what Stewart say. This is what Stewart say. So A gets cancelled out, right? So what do we have? We have, so what we get is B square plus C square is equal to 2 times D square plus A square by 4. So this is the relation of the sides and the median. So this is basically DA, that is median from A. And this theorem we already know. What is this theorem called? This is called Apollonius theorem, right? So this is a very common theorem, and if you're in class 10th, probably you might have read this in your NCERT books, and in particularly the Pythagoras theorem part, right? So this can easily be proved using Pythagoras. But हमने क्या किया? Stewart theorem से immediately एक ही line में इसको prove कर दिया. So this is the power of the theorem. So Stewart theorem. So likewise, using Stewart's, we can also find the length of the angle bisector. We can also find the length of the altitude of the triangle, right? So many things can be found out using Stewart's theorem if we know the sides of the triangle, right? So the power of Stewart's theorem, I hope you all got this. Okay. So now, if you learn to apply the Stewart's theorem, let us try and do this question. Let us try and do this question. So it says the internal angle bisector of angle A. So let me draw a diagram. So A and B and C is a triangle. Let us name the triangle ABC. And we have an internal bisector of the triangle. Let's say P. So this angle is equal to this angle. No problem with this. And also B is given to be 2C. And this is C. And this hence would be A. Now I need to prove that 9 times AP square plus 2A square is an integral multiple of C square. Integral multiple means 9 times AP square plus 2A square upon C square. This has to be an integer. This has to be an integer. So how do we prove this? So this can easily be proved using Stewart's theorem. But Stewart's के लिए I need AP. Okay, AP is there in the question. I also need BP and CP. How can this be found out? Now, the angle bisector theorem says the angle bisector divides the opposite side is the same ratio as the length of the other two sides. So that means BP upon CP in this triangle, BP upon CP would be AB upon AC. And this is C and this is 2C. So that means BP upon CP is 1 upon 2. BP upon CP is 1 upon 2. And the whole length is A. So that means this portion would be A upon 3 and this portion would be 2A upon 3. And hence we know everything in what we require in applying Stewart's theorem. Stewart's theorem apply करने के लिए जो चीज चाहिए सब कुछ है मेरे पास. I know the sides of the triangles, I know these two sides, and AP square is there in the question. So let us just apply Stewart's theorem. So what does Stewart's theorem say? So Stewart says if this is AP, right? So A times AP square plus M into N, that is A by 3 into 2A by 3, is equal to this square. So 4C square into A by 3 plus C square into 2A by 3. So this is what Stewart's say. So A has been cancelled out. So if I cross multiply, so it will be 9 AP square plus 2A square upon 9 is equal to 6C square upon 3. And this gets cancelled out. So we have 9 AP square plus 2A square is equal to 18C square. So this proves our question. This is what I wanted to prove. That 9 AP square plus 2A square is an integral multiple of C square, and that integer is 18. Right? So this is the direct application of Stewart's theorem. So Stewart's क्या बोलता है एक बार दोबारा से? If we know the sides of the triangle and also the bifurcation, the segments of the opposite sides, so we can always find the length of this side, or we can always find the relation between all the things, right? So this is the direct application of Stewart's theorem. So again, आगे से कभी भी एक triangle दिया हुआ है and कुछ भी एक side दिया हुआ है and ये length दिया हुआ है, so there can be a relation. There is a direct relation between all these lengths, and that relation is Stewart's theorem. I hope this is clear to you all, right? All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you enjoyed the session, please like, please subscribe, and please, if you have any other good student around you, please make him or her subscribe to this channel. So let us join hands and take home gold for India. Till next time, guys. Take care.